Loki, be nice. Upside down bird.
Look at him. He just wants to live. No. He's gonna get you, stupid. Oh. Yeah, he's gonna get you.
His fur's just hanging down. I'm just gonna lay here. Pedro, be nice.
All he does is want to be his friend. Look, he just keeps laying down.
Oh, poor Loki. But if this bar wasn't here, he'd fall right off. Because he's backing up.
Nah, he don't pay attention. See, now he's moving and stuff. Oh, well, he just wants to sniff him and stuff. Quit pecking at me. Hey.
Pretty green bird, be nice. Stop!
Lay him back down. He'll do it until Pedro stops.
Pedro's such a dick.
Trying to get his tail so hard. Like, nah, I'm over there now.
Pedro's like, I can play that game.
But quit it.
Aww. He's gonna get your last foot. Guys, help!
Nah, he'll get down if he really needs to.
Hi, Loki.
Loki, you're faster. Just keep going. Loki, is he being mean?
Poor buddy.
He's like, stop it.
He's going.
Come, young one. Come.
Bye, Loki.
Oh.